Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways, leading to symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. While asthma is typically managed with medications such as bronchodilators and corticosteroids, the relationship between diet and asthma is complex and multifaceted. While certain foods and dietary choices can trigger asthma symptoms and worsen the condition, others can have a positive impact on asthma management. By being mindful of their diet and making healthy choices, individuals with asthma can potentially improve their symptoms and overall quality of life. Many allergies from food and a lack of nutrients can be overcome just by eating organic food and pastured raised animal products. These food have an absence of toxic chemicals that may contribute to asthma. In addition, they have many times more natural nutrients and vitamins. If you have any concerns about your diet and asthma, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance. For more healthy hints, our book How the Food Industry is Killing Us is available on Amazon and worldwide.